Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight. This is an ant rumble. Spoiler alert with the first hit. Oh, there's another big hit. Baby Beater took a shot. Somebody lost a wheel. Oh, spoiler alert is down one wheel. Oh, is that? Woo! Oh, wow. Baby Beater lost the motor. There goes another piece. It's a great fight so far. Everybody's going at each other hard. We're under 2 minutes to go already. Hey, spoiler alert, looks like it's going to get knocked out, but no, he still keeps fighting. Rainbow poison still in there, but doesn't look like the weapon is working. The crazed madman is still in there. He's going with those forks that he put in there days ago. Those forks are actually from here, from the food court. Unbelievable. They've held all these fights. Oh, that was a big hit and a big flip.
I'm right here. Come on.
Yes.
I can still fight.
1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Fluorine doesn't look too good, right? One wheel. Wow, unbelievable. They're still going at it though. Great ant fight. This is what we call the ant rumble. Exactly. It was. Yeah. That was a piece of chlorine. All right, chlorine. Yeah, 40 seconds to go. Big hit. Oh, nice. With that beater bar pushing. Oh, Batman gets pushed into the wall. We're under 30 seconds now. Unbelievable fight. Gonna end soon here. We'll see who's gonna be the only one surviving, who's gonna be intact. Everybody's got something missing. Oh, another big hit. Baby Beater's still going. It looks like he's the only one intact. With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's the fight.